When you log into the Welkin system, you'll be brought to the Care application, where you'll have a pre-built demo program available to you. From the homepage landing screen, click on My Patients on the left-hand navigation bar to enter your first patient. This button brings you to a screen with any patients you have permission to view and allows you to click Create in the upper right-hand corner to add a new patient. A drawer will now open for you to enter some basic patient info. Please complete at least the following fields: first name, last name, and gender. Next, scroll down to Service Area to view a few examples of patient regions and territories. Select a region and territory from the drop-downs, and then select your name from the list of care team members. Next, assign yourself as the primary team contact. Click Create to continue. You should now see the patient added to your patient list. By clicking on the patient name, you'll be brought to that specific patient profile. At this point, there's no patient data loaded, so the views available via the white patient navigation area will be empty. Let's add some data. In the demo environment, patient data can be added directly by clicking Add in the upper right-hand corner of a data field, or through assessments that use questions as a prompt for data entry. We'll try both. Click on Clinical Summary from the Patient Nav area, and then click Add under Primary Diagnosis. Choose a diagnosis from the drop-down in the drawer, and select Add below to continue. You'll now see the information populated. Next, let's add a few active problems. Follow the same steps as before to get started, but this time, once you've selected a condition and entered an onset year, click Save and add another to make an additional entry. Make another selection and click Add to continue. You can complete this process to add data to any of the other fields under this dataset or others. Now let's add data based on an assessment. Select Assessments from the navigation and then click Start Assessment in the upper right-hand corner. You'll be presented with a sample set of assessments. Let's start with a short one. Record vitals. Enter sample values in this area. Once you've entered all fields, click Finalize to see a completed record of the assessment and to post the data to the relevant data views under Vitals in the white navigation area. Try completing this assessment multiple times to test different values to see if any of the fields have the optional minimum and maximum values function enabled. Use this same process with other assessment types to see what they populate. As you enter data, depending on what the field values are, you may trigger automated generation of tasks based on those values. For example, if you complete the SDOH short form assessment and select sometimes, fairly often, or frequently as an answer to question 9, you will generate an urgent task. Give it a try. For further details on the care environment, please review the subject-specific Welkin Care training videos.